I'll guide you through how to see iPhone location history using the hidden significant locations feature without needing any third-party apps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Here's how to view iPhone locations using the native history. Open the Settings app and tap Privacy and Security, where all sensitive data controls live. Tap Location Services and scroll to the bottom and tap System Services to reveal the data used by core iOS features. Select Significant Locations, which is a dedicated history section. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to verify your identity. View the summarized list of cities and regions. This provides a high-level overview. You can then tap on any listed location to reveal the detailed map, visit dates, and times. Now, let's see ways to manage your iPhone location data. Toggling the significant locations off will stop your iPhone from recording future location history. You can also scroll down and tap Clear History to permanently delete all stored location data. An alternative method of viewing your history is via the Google Timeline. Open the Google Maps app and tap your profile picture and select Your Timeline. There you have it. You can view a detailed calendar-based iPhone location history. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more iPhone video tutorials and check the description below for advanced privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.